All right, I went ahead and bought myself two. Ford has a new revised part number and you'll recognize it from the blue valve. The part that has been failing, giving you lots of problems where you hear the hub actuator grinding because it's trying to, not sure if it should engage or not, and which could lead into a full damage to your hubs and then you'd have to replace them. Instead of me just buying this valve by itself and trying to press it back in there, I bought the whole thing. It's $8 and I actually bought myself a second one. So this fragile part has left people stranded on the trails quite often. I don't have an issue with mine right now, but I consider it as a preventative maintenance. Why not? Ford had redesigned it. We go off-roading a lot. We do travel a lot. My friend Helio has documented the sound. I will leave a link of his little video on YouTube and the link as well in the description below. You guys are welcome to go and watch his video. It's also very insightful. He does the installation and he demonstrates the sound as well for you. I'm going to focus on actually zooming in right here and show you how this fits. It's going to sit exactly like this. This little knob right here, it's going to clamp right there. This part is going to be secured on the very back of this connector. So how do we get this out? It's real simple. You first take it out from here. You pull on, you gently pull on this little hose and it will pull and separate, and you can notice I'm twisting and pulling and it pulls out. Then you're going to release it from here. You hear that? And then you release it from the back side. And this is the old one. Let me put the two next to each other and show you. Let me also show you the part numbers, and I will also leave them in the link below. All right, it's on. This is secured and all the way in, and this one in here. What I'm about to do is go get the vehicle started and then try to switch back and forth from 4A, 4 high, and back to 2 high to make sure that the system is re-engaged properly. Something I would always advise you to check. All right, so now that we installed, we're going to check and make sure everything is okay. I'm going to start the truck. I'm going to give it a second to idle. Okay, so I'm going to cycle and make sure everything is fine. I'm going to go to 4A. And it switched normally fine. I'm going to go to 4 high. And it shipped perfect. And then I'm going to go back to 4A. And I'm going to go back to 2 high. I like to do one more test, and while it's sitting still, I'm going to use the modes. So if you would look through here with me onto the modes if possible. So I'm going to go to weather mode, which will put it automatically in 4A. And then I'm going to go to mud sand mode, which automatically puts it in 4 high and locks the rear diff. It seems that everything is in order. I'm going to get out from all those modes. And there it's a wrap. That's pretty much the install and the testing that I would advise you to go through. I hope you found this video helpful. Please stay tuned. We're going to be uploading a lot more videos like this in the near future. If you have any questions about this install or any other install or any part that you're thinking about putting on your Ford Raptor, please leave us a comment below or reach me on my email. I will leave my contact information in the description. Thank you, and we will see you next time.